guys, it is Jill from My Landscape Coach, and I am popping into my backyard to begin the Countdown to Spring video event here. And today we are starting with step 1. When we're observing our yard, we're just looking around at things to see how's it doing, what's gone on with it in the winter. Like here, for example, is an irrigation line. I guess I need to figure out how to bury that guy. Over here, I've got my owl that was using to scare off the doves this season fallen down. So I got to clean up some of that. I've got pillows missing, wood piles kind of a mess, and this grass has got to be dealt with. Yeah, write down all the stuff about your plants or perennial gardens. You can see I need to do some tidying up in here, removing the leaves. And then over here, I've got to cut these flower stalks. So I'll show you how to do all that. And again, opening up this irrigation system. I'm going to check all that out as well. And it looks like I've got to clean up all the debris from winter and get all these outdoor living elements prepped and ready to go. So I have observed my yard, and what I'm going to go do now is work up a landscape inventory, which is step 2, and write down all those things that I observed. See you then.